Here are your Court News Ohio top stories in 5 minutes. The Ohio Supreme Court on December 9th ordered Cuyahoga County to release key card swipe data that documented when former county executive Edward Fitzgerald entered and exited county parking lots and county buildings. In a 4-3 decision, the Supreme Court concluded that while the records sought by the Ohio Republican Party in 2014 were security records exempt from release at the time of the request, circumstances have changed as Fitzgerald is no longer the county executive and the county building he worked in has been demolished. Therefore, the court ruled, there is no longer any basis or security reason for withholding the key card swipe data.
It's been 10 years since the ribbon was cut to open the Ohio Supreme Court Visitor Education Center. Since the ceremony on December 12, 2005, more than 120,000 people have come through the doors. The 4,400-square-foot education center, located on the ground floor of the Thomas J. Moyer Ohio Judicial Center, was conceived by the late Chief Justice Moyer. Interactive displays provide visitors with an understanding and appreciation of the history, role, and responsibilities of the Ohio court system. Exhibits illustrate key elements of significant Ohio court cases, with items such as a model 9-foot cannon, a bathroom sink, and the back end of a car.
All of the exhibits revolve around stories, either through cases or individuals in cases, or our legal pioneers.
Civic Education Program Manager Jay Wiebold says that storytelling and appealing to visitors of all ages was very important to Chief Justice Moyer in the early discussions about the project. The groundbreaking idea has netted the Visitor Education Center awards from the Ohio Museum Association.
Another key to the success of the center are our volunteers. They help in the storytelling because they can gear the amount of detail and the complexity to the age level of the group.
As part of school tours, students can become part of the story as they participate in a mock trial. A favorite exhibit is the interactive scale, where visitors try to balance the 3 branches of government. While the anniversary passed with little fanfare, the Visitor Education Center continues to hum with activity as school groups and others learn about the foundations of the judicial system.
A former magistrate will become a new Cuyahoga County Common Pleas Court judge starting on January 4th, 2016. Governor John Kasich named Matthew McMonagle to sit on the bench and replace former Judge Lance Mason, who resigned. McMonagle must win the November 2016 general election to retain the seat for the full term commencing on January 5th, 2017. McMonagle most recently served as a partner in private practice in Cleveland. He has also served as a Rocky River Municipal Court magistrate. McMonagle received his law degree from Cleveland Marshall College of Law and was admitted to the practice of law in Ohio in November 2004.
For the second time in 3 years, the Ohio Supreme Court heard arguments about the construction of a wind farm in Champaign County. On December 16th, the justices heard from multiple sides of the issue, where lawyers asked the court to either reject the Ohio Power Sitting Board's approval to build a second wind farm in the county, or for the board to correct errors lawyers claim occurred during the application vetting process. Ever Power Wind Holdings owns subsidiaries Buckeye Wind and Champaign Wind. In 2012, the justices upheld an order by the board allowing Buckeye Wind to build the state's first wind farm in a 4-3 decision. Now, Champaign Wind wants to build a wind farm consisting of up to 56 wind turbine generators near the first facility. The wind farm's opponents, including a neighborhood group, presented several arguments why they believe the application process was unfair and said the board members gave too much leeway to the wind farm's developers. They called the board's approval of the wind farm unreasonable and unlawful. Look for a decision on this case at sc.ohio.gov.
How many law books does it take to make a holiday tree? The Ohio Supreme Court Law Library did a great job putting it together. All of us at CNO TV want to wish you a very merry holiday season and a happy new year. That's a look at Court News Ohio's top stories. Visit courtnewsohio.gov for the latest headlines on Ohio's courts. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter.